Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video, and let me show you guys what I have. I cooked some lasagna. This is homemade lasagna. Can you guys see that? And we have some broccoli and some garlic toast. But look, just look at that. I'll give you guys a close-up. Doesn't that look delicious? Yummy. All right. So if you guys want to know how to make this, I did make a recipe video for this, but it's not going to be out for another week or so. Yeah, so stay tuned for that. And without further ado, I'm just going to get right into it because I've been cooking this all day. Well, I haven't been cooking it all day, but I made it earlier, and I made it earlier and I wanted to eat it when it first got done, but it was for dinner, so I had to wait. So I'm gonna give you guys the first bite. Oh, that just fell. First bite for you guys. My God, this is good. This is one of my kids' favorite dishes.
Yep.
Sophia's over there eating at the table. My husband is asleep. He worked a long day. And Antonio, he's asleep too. He's not feeling very good. I feel bad because he's missing out. This is his favorite thing for me to make. But maybe he'll feel like, look at that. Did you guys see that? Oh my gosh. I love pasta. I love lasagna. Anything with noodles and cheese. Look at that. Will it focus? Look at that, you guys. Oh my goodness. So yummy. And try some garlic bread. You cannot tell me that does not look good. Oh my God. Oh, I'm in heaven right now. So good. I'm having a mug root beer to drink. Oh my gosh. Look at this. I'm like, if I'm ever having a bad day, lasagna will cure it. Look at this. Oh God. So good. I outdid myself this time. Best lasagna ever. Of course, you had to get something healthy. Cook some broccoli. I was gonna make a salad, but the lettuce that I found in the fridge, let's just say it was not the right color. So yeah, I had to get rid of that. Look at that. Is it gonna focus? Yes. Look at that. Mmm. Just your classic lasagna. Only I use beef. I use ground beef. Sometimes I keep it vegetarian and I don't use beef. I just use pasta sauce. I mix it one step. It's like one less step you have to do when you leave it meatless. Because if you use jarred tomato sauce, you know, you don't have to cook it. So you don't have to cook the meat if you leave it meatless. Mmm. That deserved that. I need a pat on the back. I need something. Okay. You guys might find this weird, but I like to eat my lasagna a specific way. I take the top layer of cheese off and I save that for later. And then I just kind of eat it layer by layer. You know? Just like that. Oh my gosh, excuse me. Mmm. What? Did you hear my burp?
Yeah.
Sorry. Excuse me. I couldn't help it. It was so good. What do you say?
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Ooh. All right. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It's so good. Sometimes I'll put extra sauce, but I feel like this has just the perfect amount of sauce. But sometimes I'll put extra sauce so I can soak it up with the bread. No, thank you. Let me get some of this cheese. I'm using a plastic fork, guys, because the last video I recorded, you guys haven't seen it yet, but it's scheduled to come out later when I'm on vacation. But the last video I recorded using this plate and a metal spoon, I kept scraping the plate with it. It was annoying. It was annoying me. So I made sure to get a plastic fork. Oh my God. So good. I'm supposed to go out with my mom and my sister tonight shopping. We're shopping for this family that we're sponsoring, I guess. I think that's what you call for the holidays. You know, they don't have a whole lot of stuff. So I'm supposed to go out shopping here in a few hours with my mom and my sister, and we're gonna go pick up some stuff for that family and the kids, you know, giving back. So I'm excited to do that. My funds are a little bit tight right now because I am planning a vacation that I'll be leaving for in the next few weeks. But, you know, if I can give anything, I'm going to. Because I would want somebody to do that for me, you know, if I was ever in that situation. Yep. Okay. Actually, I think I lied. I could use a little bit more sauce. But this is gonna have to do. I'm getting full, but I don't want to be full. I shouldn't have drinking the root beer. You eating your broccoli? Hey! Are you eating your broccoli? You better eat your broccoli. Oh, my Lord. Jesus. Excuse me. This is just so good. I was told that some countries, they see like burping as a compliment. Is it burping or is it something else? I'm gonna say it's burping. It means you enjoyed the meal or something. Comment down below if you know if that's true or whatever it is I'm trying to think about right now. I can't focus. This lasagna is like out of this world. It's messing with my mind. I'm determined to eat all this. I think I can do this. One big bite. No, that's too big. Let's see. There we go. Is my phone down here, Mija? Mija. Sophia. Is my phone down here? Oh, man. Excuse me.
Mama!
What?
Mama!
What?
They're making a pitch perfect 3!
It comes out soon, doesn't it? Christmas Day?
Huh?
When does it come out?
The 23rd, I think. That's what I saw, or I took a glimpse of it. If there's another ad of it, I'll tell you.
Okay. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna finish this. They'll be good though. Because when I'm done here, I'll be walking around shopping. What time is it? It's 5:30. So I have the rest of the night to do something. If I seem a little bit hyper, it's because one, I'm excited that I'm eating lasagna. I haven't had lasagna in a long time. And two, I've had one energy drink. I've had an energy drink, and then my mom gave me a sip of her. I had one. What am I trying to say? Excuse me. Because I had an energy drink. Can I talk? This morning, and then my mom gave me a sip of her Rockstar earlier, which was really good. I know energy drinks are bad for you, but I don't drink a whole lot of coffee, so energy drink is like the next best thing for me, even though it's not good for you. Coffee's really not even that good for you either, but what do I know? Don't take advice from me. Okay. I'm gonna soak up everything. I'm gonna clean my plate like my mama told me. My mama taught me. And we're gonna do this. Oh, see how excited I'm just like being weird. I dropped my bite. Somebody wanted that. That sucks. That's almost enough to ruin my night. But I'm not gonna let it ruin my night. I'm just not gonna think about it. I'm just gonna let it be. It is what it is. And now I got a mess to clean up. That was gonna be a good bite too. Let it go. Don't let it affect you, Angela. Okay. Not the last bite that I was expecting, but I have to change now. I got lasagna in my lap. Okay, you guys. Excuse me. Oh my Lord. Thank you so much for watching. You can tell I'm a little bit irritated now, but thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe so you can see more content when I put it out. It was good eating with you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Yeah, that was a fail.